Hey, how's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great night. This is a really fast, simple thing to do. We're just going to display a message to the player. I'm going to start with a new scene in the game tab. I'm going to go to the create button in the hierarchy, UI, select text. Voila. So also I suggest going to a place like googlefonts.com or it's fonts.google.com. I'll put a link down below. Download whatever font you would like. I picked Coiny. Slide it into the font slot. I'm going to increase the size. Can't see it because it's out of space, so we're going to center it and center it. The vertical overflow, we want to change to overflow. We also want to increase the width, so I'm just going to add a 0. Give enough space for our text. In the text box is where you would put your custom text. And what's really cool is you could also use HTML markup and you could style it that way. And you could also change the color this way. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. This is just a very simple introduction to displaying text. We'll get into animations and everything else later on in a different tutorial. Hope you have a great night. Thank you for subscribing.